Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 5i and let me share with you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So we will begin with opening the settings because first of all we will customize this mode and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So after entering the settings you have to enter display and brightness, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on night shield. This is the name of the eye comfort mode in this model. So as you can see here we've got some options which we can customize. Here we can change the screen color temperature, but before we will actually have to turn it on. So let's tap on the switcher to enable now, and as you can see the screen turned a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So as I said, you can change the screen color temperature. Right now we've got the coolest option, so it is not as yellow as it can be, but after swiping this switcher to the right we can set it much warmer, and here we've got almost amber color, I would say. What's more, under it we've got the display effect, so here we've got the color which is right now turned on, but we've got also black and white. So after tapping on it you can see the changes, that the switchers which were green right now are only in the black, gray and white colors. So it's really up to you which effect is more appealing to you. I will stick with the color probably. So just set the warmth of the color just like you want to. I will leave it like this. And here we've got also some cool option which is called schedule time. So after tapping on this switcher we can freely choose the start and end time. So after picking the start we can by swiping choose the start time, and I will pick for example 1 p.m. because why not, and we can tap on the end time at around 5 a.m. and as you can see the screen turned yellowish immediately. Actually it is obviously because we are between start and end time. So let me actually turn off this option. Let me turn it on manually. So this is the whole customization of this feature, and after that you're able to have much faster access to it. All you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the night shield option, which is right now activated. As you can see, it is highlighted. Of course you can turn it off just by tapping on it, and as you can see the screen turns back to its normal state actually immediately. Obviously you can turn it on the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Realme 5i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.